Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So apologies for being away for so long. I've just started a new job in a new salon, so it's took me a while to get around to actually doing any filming. So I'm not confident to ask my clients yet, so I'm doing my own today. So I'm just going in with my cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing back all that skin. It looks like I'm being quite vigorous, but I have sped it up because otherwise I would have been here forever. But I can assure you I am being gentle. And then I'm just coming in with my e-file bit, my cuticle bit, and I'm just going in one direction around one side of the nail and then switching the direction of the e-file and going around the other side of the nail, if that makes sense. I'm not very good at explaining things. So yeah, now I'm doing the other side. So I'll just switch the rotation on the e-file. I am e-file trained, so I sort of know what I'm doing. And then I'm just going in with this little bit and it just removes all the dust. It's a bit more thorough than just going over with a nail brush, I find. So yeah, and then I'm just going in with my cuticle nippers. I'm just nipping away any of that excess skin. I don't like to nip too close because obviously I don't want to nip too much or make anybody bleed or anything like that. So I am just literally nipping the excess skin, and I find it so satisfying. I'm such a weirdo. But just watching all that skin come off, it's just really satisfying. I find on my thumbs it's quite hard to get in the corners. I think I've got quite deep folds on my thumbnails, so maybe that's why. Anyway, I'm just coming in with my 180 grit nail file and I'm just removing the surface shine and etching that nail plate. I'm not filing vigorously like it looks. As I said, I've sped it up a little bit. But yeah, just kind of shaping that free edge a little bit and then etching the nail plate. And I'm literally just taking the shine off. I'm not filing to remove layers and layers of my nail because that's when they end up over filed and sore. On my middle finger as well, there is a little mark on my nail. You'll probably see it in a minute, but I can assure you it's not anything bad. It's just where I caught my last nail because I had quite a long set on. I caught it on the baby's pram, and so I've got like I think they're called splinter hemorrhages, just where your nails bled underneath the nail, if that makes sense. God, I'm so crap at explaining stuff. Anyway, so I did that to all the nails and I'm just dehydrating them. And then I fitted a foam. I'm just showing you there how I've fitted it like nice and snug under the nail because I didn't record all of them. And I also didn't record myself fitting them because I have only just learned how to sculpt. I normally do use tips, as you'll probably see by the rest of my channel. So yeah, I'm just sculpting a short set of nails. Just want to take this time as well to say hello to all my new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. If anybody's got any feedback for me, please do comment and let me know, so I can only improve if I know where I'm going wrong. So yeah, I'm just sculpting a clear base here, and I only record the one because, like I say, I'm not confident in sculpting and trying to get your angles right when you're doing your own is quite difficult. I'm always trying to pull in the side walls and keep the shape that I want. But like I say, I'm new to sculpting, so it does take a while to get used to. And using clear acrylic doesn't help as well because you can't always see. Especially with crystal glass from CJP, it's so clear. So sorry I go out of shot a little bit. So I've sculpted all of those, and now I'm going to go in with design, which is a fairly simple set today because I just didn't have the time to go all out and like I usually do on my own. So I'm just going in here with Peach Sorbet from CJP. And I'm just applying that at the cuticle and feathering it up the nail. I do faff a lot on my own as well. It's quite hard to do your own nails. I don't know if anybody else does their own, but it's quite difficult to get in shot in the camera. But I try my best. So I'm just going to do that on all of the nails and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm coming in with Crystal Days from Sparkle Supplies UK. I will leave a link and the discount code in the description box. I don't get paid for that. It is just a discount code for you guys, so feel free to use it. But this glitter is stunning. Kind of looks like a greeny colour on the camera, but it actually shows all different colours like pink, yellow, green, blue. It's really iridescent glitter. It's lovely. So I'm just going to do that to all of the nails as well. I didn't record my capping and filing either because you would have been here all day. It takes me ages to do my own nails. So obviously the next bit that you'll see is top coat, which is the most satisfying bit I find. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I'll hope to see you in the next one. You will see a little clip at the end of the nails. The lighting wasn't very good though. I do apologise for that. I'm trying to improve everything like that. The lighting's quite good on this, but on the actual video at the end I don't know why it looks really dark. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining guys. Bye.